Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this a simple cute little 4-petaled flower. It's beginner friendly, especially if you're familiar with basic stitches. And for this tutorial I'll be using a 4mm hook. Use the hook that your yarn recommends, and you need your ball of yarn. You need your scissors and a darning needle to weave in the tail. Before we get started, if you enjoy these quick tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any tutorials from me. So to begin, you're going to make a slip knot and then make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find your first chain, your first stitch here, and slip stitch. So when you slip stitch, you should have something like this, a ring. Now the next row we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to count as our first stitch. Now we're going to make 4 trebles into that ring. So since this is our first treble, in total we are going to have 5 trebles. So to make a treble, wrap your yarn twice on your hook, insert your hook through that ring, pull up a loop, and now you'll have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So let's repeat that one more time. Wrap your yarn twice, insert your hook through the loop, pull up a loop. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. Wrap your yarn twice, insert your hook through the loop, through the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles. Let's make the last one. So once you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trebles, you're going to slip stitch into the same ring. Okay, slip stitch. We just made our first petal. Now you're going to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, which counts as a stitch, and you're going to make 4 more trebles into the ring. So wrap your yarn twice and make your first treble, 2, 3, 4. So in total you'll have 5 trebles plus the chain 4. Pull your stitches together, slip stitch into the ring, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap your yarn twice and make 4 more trebles into that ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trebles plus the chain 4. Remember, it counts as a stitch. Now slip stitch back into the ring, chain 4, and you're going to repeat what we just did, 4 more trebles into the ring. Wrap your yarn twice and make your treble crochet. 2, 3, and 4. And then slip stitch back into the ring. Chain 1 to secure your work, and then cut your yarn. Pull it through and pull it tight, okay, so it doesn't rub off. So now what you're going to do next is weave in that tail. So with your darning needle, you're going to insert your yarn through it, and then you're going to go through behind your stitches. You're going to insert your needle, your darning needle, through these stitches and pull through just like this in the round. If you notice, when I pull, it secures that hole, that little ring that was there, and just like that you're done making this cute little 4-petal flower. And just like this, you made your petal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the next video.